Hey guys, Miss DeLitto here. Today we're going to look at solving two-step equations using algebra tiles to model and solve this equation. Remember, the goal of solving equations is to isolate the variable or get the variable by itself. In this case, the variable is x. So our goal is to determine what x is equal to or what it represents. What I've drawn below is a balance scale. So we know on a balance scale, in order for this scale to be balanced, both sides of the scale need to have the same exact value. This middle ground is our equal sign. This is showing that if this is the same value as this, that the scale will be balanced. Our equation is also showing us that the value of 2x plus 1 is the same as -3. So when I represent this using the algebra tiles, our scale will be balanced. So we have 2x, 1, 2, plus 1 should equal, or does equal, -3. Again, our goal of solving this equation is to find the value of x, or get x by itself. So I need to move everything away from x in order to find x by itself. I can't simply take this one tile away because I don't have one tile to take away from the other side. And if I take one tile from this side, our equation will not be balanced. I can add things to both sides of this scale. If I add a negative tile to this scale, this effectively eliminates that positive tile that I need to get rid of and move away. If I add a negative tile to this side of the scale, so I'm now doing the exact same thing to both sides, our scale is going to stay balanced. Once I have added that negative tile, I can make a zero pair, and I'm now left with 2x is equal to -4. Unfortunately, we want to know what x is equal to. So I need to find a way to get just one x here. So I'm going to split these x's into two groups. And I'm going to split my -4 into two groups. One x matches to two negatives. So in this case, x is equal to -2. We can go back and we can check by plugging this value into our original equation. So if x is equal to -2, 2 times -2 plus 1 should equal -3. 2 times -2 is -4, plus 1 does in fact equal -3. So I know I've done this correctly. Let's take a look at another example. Our next example is going to be -3 plus 3x is equal to 3. We're going to represent this by taking 3 negative tiles and 3 x's in the first box and 3 positives in the second box. Again, our goal is to move away anything that is with our x's. We can't simply remove these 3 red tiles because I don't have 3 red tiles to move from the other side. So we're going to have to add something to our scale. In order to get rid of those 3 negatives, I'm going to add 3 positive chips to this side of my scale. And to keep it balanced, I'm going to have to do the exact same thing to the other side. Now I know I can make 0 pairs and get rid of those positive chips. And I'm left with 3x is equal to 6. Again, we want to know ultimately what 1x is equal to. So to find just 1x, I'm going to split these 3 x tiles into 3 groups, and I'm going to do the same thing with the 6 tiles I have on the other side. This is showing me that 1x matches up to 2 positives, so in this case, x is equal to 2. Again, we can check our answer. -3 plus 3 times 2 should equal 3. 3 times 2 is 6, plus -3 does in fact equal 3.